Hi there and welcome to the latest video from Because. Today you will learn how to best create Facebook campaigns for high-value products or services. At Because, it's all about making money online and becoming your own boss. Please subscribe so that you will stay up to date. Also select the bell notification. That way, you'll never miss an episode. Do you want to sell high-priced items online? Say products or services that cost more than $1,000 one time, or subscriptions more than $50 per month or $600 per year. If you can answer that question with yes, congratulations. I highly recommend selling higher-priced items. The reasons are simple. Firstly, you can cash in more dollars in a single sale. More often than not, that simply means a higher return on your marketing efforts and marketing dollars. Secondly, selling high-priced offerings gives you the opportunity to connect with an audience that is both sophisticated and affluent. You can build a relationship with that audience, putting you in a position where you can sell that same audience more products and services at a later point in time. I cannot stress enough how much connecting with a sophisticated and affluent audience puts you in a way better position financially than dealing with an audience that doesn't have these two attributes. So how do you get started selling to your audience using Facebook advertising? The first thing I want to tell you is what not to do. Do not create ads and landing pages that ask for the sale directly. If you do that, you'll miss out on the great opportunity to build a relationship with your audience. If they don't buy directly from the landing page, or potential retargeting, you'll have no way of ever reconnecting with them. Sad. Here's what you do instead. Let the ad show a page that is not a landing page, but a squeeze page. The sole purpose of the squeeze page is collecting the email address of the prospect that clicked on the ad. After you have their email address, say thank you to them, deliver whatever you promised as the hook for leaving their email address, and forward them to a landing page. That landing page will prepare them to build up desire for your product. If they don't buy directly from the landing page, you now have their email address and can engage with them further. So, to summarize, there are 6 factors involved. 1. The hook. 2. The actual ad. 3. The squeeze page. 4. The delivery of the hook. 5. The landing page. 6. The email drip campaign. Here's how to get each of these done. Before I dive into it, please smash the like button for this video because it really helps me out. The hook can be anything that naturally requires an email address for delivery and at the same time goes well with your product offering. Here's a list of possible hooks. Download our free guide. Take the quiz. See if you qualify. Be the first to know. Schedule a demo. Try it live. As for the actual ad, make it interesting as well as controversial or even slightly insulting. Using these tactics will greatly increase your chances that someone clicks on your ad. The enemies you'll have to fight are boredom and predictability. The squeeze page should be short and written in simple terms. It explains the hook, what the prospect can gain from the hook, and a promise to deliver the hook promptly and for free. That way, you will collect a lot of email addresses fast. The delivery of the hook will depend on your specific hook, of course. I trust you will be the best person to know how to deliver your hook. One important thing to remember, keep it simple. The landing page should first and foremost thank the user for signing up and for supporting your movement. You can then transition into introducing your actual product offering, and providing a button to make the actual sale. It cannot hurt to have that button several times in the landing page, after each paragraph. Make the landing page as long as you can. The more time the user spends reading about the details of your offering, the more they become psychologically invested, and the higher the likelihood that they will actually buy. The email drip campaign consists of a series of emails designed to engage your audience and lead them towards the sale. That was my intro to selling high-value items with Facebook campaigns, in a nutshell. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Also, subscribe to the Because channel and hit the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting our movement. See you next time and bye-bye.